Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to show you how to turn your boring walls into something interesting and trendy. You can start off with choosing the wall for the makeover. Use your creativity and aesthetic judgment to choose the orientation of the panels, horizontal or vertical. Next, measure the wall to be clad and cut your panels to the measured length to cover it perfectly. Wall panels can be assembled with either adhesives or screws. However, in this video, we have assembled using screws. This method is super fast and easy. And voila! This bland wall is now all transformed. Easy to buy, easy to install, and easy to maintain. If you want to choose the best panels for your next project, check out materialdepot.in or walk into our experience center.